Pallet Wizard here. We're gonna try something new out. Tape my phone with some blue painters taped to a dowel. Hopefully make a, not a gimbal, but let's talk sanding. So I use a DeWalt 6-inch disc sander, and my two primarily grits are going to be 60 and 120. I'll show you real fast. This is for a bookshelf. Just I scuff it up, get her done. Here we go. Sander's plugged in. Eye protection's on. Just do a light scuff. I like to set it on my table and put the work in between my legs to hold it stable. Like that. I can work from the middle forward. Test it going on the back. That's how fast it takes to sand two of these off. So those are going to be our support structure for our bookshelf. So I'll sand these up and get them ready, because once we put it together we're going to stain it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody being here for me, and we'll talk to you soon.